up, YouTube? Guess what? I am running late. I got an appointment at 11 o'clock and I'm just not getting on the highway. Yeah. I was just thinking to myself, like, I be late all the time by myself. I could just imagine if I had one kid. I know I'd never make it anywhere. But yeah, y'all, I am on my way to the chiropractor. Like I told y'all the day, like, I told y'all in the last vlog when it was the 4th of July or whatever, I had a sharp pain in my right here, like my shoulder, behind my shoulder, whatever this collarbone part is, and it's been irritating me ever since. It always feel like I got like a migraine or a headache over my right eye, like this whole side of my face was hurting. I feel a little better now, but I tried driving last night. It did not work. I came home because at one point it was starting to make my head throb, like it was bad. So I'm on my way to the chiropractor right now, going to get examined and stuff like that. Hopefully he'll adjust my body today. I don't know. And I can hear out of my right ear, but it sounds muffled. So he's gonna be doing like x-rays or a CAT scan or MRI, whatever the heck, and they're gonna figure out what's wrong with my doggone right side of my face. It's bad. Like, I've been on bed rest like for an entire week, like since the 4th. Like, I was okay during the 4th, but like at night, like in the middle of the night, it came back, and it just came back like aggressive. Like, I don't know. So hopefully he can figure it out. Hopefully there's nothing crazy wrong, and it's just that I need an adjustment to my body or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my way. So I'll see y'all when I get to the chiropractor. Just pulled up to the chiropractor. I need to clean my damn windshield. And I'm not gonna lie, it look like I pulled up to somebody's business/house, but we ain't gonna judge it. Just a little bit. It look like they about to send me through a tunnel. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared. Not gonna lie, y'all. It smells a little funny in here, but they got me doing this paperwork right now. So I gotta fill this out and shit like that. I hate all this. Alright, y'all. I just finished filling out that paperwork. And I'm already just not in the mood. Like, even while driving, like, it bothers me so bad. Like, last night I tried to drive and, like, the back of my head was just, like, throbbing and it just hurt so bad. I just, like, turned it in for the night. And that's why I'm here at the chiropractor right now. Hopefully the doc can get everything situated today. I'm praying so. Just keep me in prayer, dog. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. This hurt. And I forgot a neck pillow at home, bro. Yo, I'm in the back room. She just took my blood pressure and temperature. I'm straight on that. That's good, but I am in so much pain, especially in the back of my head. Like, this is bad. So much discomfort. I need my neck pillow. You are good. It's just
Physician.
Sit right here. Maybe you can check out my channel after we're done.
Okay, so we've got things that are out of alignment, and we're going to improve everything by putting them back into alignment.
Face down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to give you some breathing instructions.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to relax the best you can.
Okay.
You're going to feel and hear little things popping and snapping.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, we're going to start. So I need you to take a deep breath. Exhale. Let it all out. Good.
Oh.
Give me another deep breath. And out. Perfect. Turn over and lay on your back, please.
That feels so good.
Got one more spot. So this is my YouTube debut.
Mm-hmm. Everybody meet Dr. White.
Pressure.
Oh.
And one more. Perfect. You're so cooperative. Now just rest.
Guys, that felt really good.
Good. You should feel a lot better, but let's do a follow-up like Friday, just to make sure everything's staying in place. And that, if everything's good on Friday, we're done.
Okay, I'm just really worried about my ear.
It wasn't the ear, it was all coming from right back here. So just lay low today, let everything kind of settle in place, and then we'll check it out on Friday.
Yeah, hopefully this goes away.
It will. It's not, but it's going to be a gradual thing. Like tomorrow's going to feel a whole lot better.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
See you then, kiddo.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Yeah. I don't know about y'all, but that crack felt good. I'm gonna take this man card for myself. I'll be alright, but. Okay, y'all. I just left the Cairo. I have a follow-up on Friday, which is in 2 days. And he said, just take it easy today. And then, gradually my ear will come back, which is good. He said, it's just good, just out of placement. Nothing's really majorly wrong. Thank goodness. He said there's no tears, no nothing. So that's great. But now, usually after a doctor visit, your parents spoil you with some McDonald's or something to eat after, right? Oh my gosh, I miss those school days. We used to come in in the middle of the school day, it'd be 1 o'clock. And miss lunch, and you walk in there with some McDonald's or something. Everybody jealous. Be like, dang, your mama took you to woo. You ain't eating this school lunch. But yeah, I'm finna figure out what I'm about to eat, because I'm about to spoil myself with something to eat. I'm not gonna lie. This crap is crazy, but good. It's just good that nothing teared or nothing is pinched. It's just out of place. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but when I decide, I'll let y'all know. After driving down the road, I finally decided to come to one of my old spots I haven't been to in a long time. Fat Boys. Give me some salmon, teriyaki salmon, and some sushi rolls. Hell yeah! We lit, baby. Yeah, I done got my food, y'all. Yeah, I'm finna bust all this down. I haven't had Fat Boys in so long. Tight shit. I'm ready to eat. And I'm probably gonna find me a smoothie to drink all this down with. So yeah. She said it's gonna be 15, 20 minutes. So I'm just finna relax and chill in the car. I'm pretty tired. I'm just ready to relax my body. Get in some AC and just relax. Man. All this driving, irritating. Oh, god damn, bitch. Shit. Yeah, all this driving, just not it right now, bro. I'm just ready to lay down. I don't know if I'm gonna go back home or what, because being home just seems so far. But yeah, bro, I'll see y'all when I want to see what I got. I should go get a smoothie right now, so by the time I come back, my food will be ready instead of just sitting here. Hold on, y'all. Let me find a smooth spot. Bruh, dealing with adult shit make you have a headache, but I got my food. This is the sesame salmon, which is it's just really teriyaki sauce. I don't understand why they call it sesame. It's just little black seeds. What up?
We can park in the alley.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Come on, mommy.
And I got some sushi, and then I got me a house salad. Today went from having a good day to a stressful one, and I have a headache now. And I just really wanna lay down. All this adult shit just be pissing me off, like, I don't know, bro. I got a headache. I'm finna eat my food and shit like that. And I'll just see y'all. Oh, yeah. I ain't show y'all. I got me a smoothie, too. But I'll see y'all in the next clip type shit. Birds are flying the window. Nigga, this nigga holding on for dear life right now. Oh, he gone. Oh, he flew off. I remember, I forgot to come back and tell y'all how my neck is feeling. This is the next day. I feel so much better. And my ear like slowly coming back. Like, that shit really did some justice. I'm not gonna lie. That shit really did some motherfucking justice. That shit felt so good. I actually slept on a regular pillow last night. I didn't even sleep on the towel like I was doing. But yeah, y'all. Cash. Yeah. I can't wait till gas go back down. Anyway, it's the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, share, all that.